My next tip for the very next step is to lay down all the fuselage components and try to visualize for yourself what each part of the aircraft does and how all these parts might integrate with all the other small components that come in a separate baggie that comes with the kit as well. From left to right, we're showing the left and right wing with their corresponding winglets. Keep in mind the winglets are glue-on. This is an older kit, so this is all glue-on surface joints. So we're looking into the wing, the left and right wing. We're showing the underside of the wing. You see the servo slots there. The spark glues in, it penetrates the midsection of the fuse through the other side to the other wing, and these are all glued on. I use Gorilla Glue here. My glue of choice stays on very well and strong. So the fuselage, you can see it comes in two halves, and these glue in together. There is a battery tray that must be inserted before gluing these two halves together. We're coming up on the canopy and the vertical stabilizer. The canopy is magnet locked. I'll talk about that in future videos. The vertical stab is also glue on. We're moving into the EDF hatch. These are magnetized, so their magnets snap on, and we'll be showing how those get set up in future videos.